Hey everyone, Nate Valine here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to go over a concept with you from an audio that I just listened to recently from Darren Hardy, who is the publisher of Success Magazine. And that concept is something that he learned, that only a few things matter in anything. Now, this is a concept that, when you really think about it, can have a very large impact on your life. And to give you a little preface to us, Darren Hardy, when he learned of this concept, it was from when he interviewed and met with a very successful, both financially, in his own personal life, and love person that he spoke with. He was originally an immigrant from Ukraine, grew up very poor, was unable to go to high school or any other school for that after that matter. But even with all of that, he was able to find success in everything he did. And so when Darren met with him, he asked him, to share his knowledge over his 100 years. This gentleman had just turned 100, and so that they could document it and share that information with others. And the biggest concept that came out of that meeting was this principle of only a few things matter in anything. And so when thinking about it, and as this gentleman explained, even though this guy was not an educated man, when he went to work, he focused on the few things that mattered in each position so that he could learn it and master it. And once he mastered it, he went on to the next step, and he found those few things, mastered those, and just grew and grew, and eventually became very successful and very financially well off. And so it really kind of boils down to a three-step process. First, you got to find the things. What are these few things that matter? And then you have to stick to them. Stick to them like glue. Focus on them. Practice them. Do them every single day so that you can then finally master them. Once you master them, then that's when you'll see that real success. Now, in the entire cosmos, everything is governed by this principle. Only a few things matter. But in each area, there are a separate few things. There's a different set of few things for neurosurgery. There's a few different set of things for marketing, for whatever it may be that you are doing or focusing on. Now, in this video, I kind of want to go over the few things that matter for affiliate marketing. And with that, it boils down to three things. One is your structure. Two is is the traffic, and three is conversions. Those are the three main things that if you can master those, you can create incredible wealth. And so what do those mean? Your structure. How do you do that? Where do you start? How does that build? How do you stick to it? How do you master it? These are all the questions you have to answer once you identify the few things. Which we just did. Traffic, same thing. What is good traffic? What are the different traffic channels? How do you stick to them and master them? And conversions, how do you get your first conversion? How do you improve upon your conversion? These are all things that you can learn and master if you focus on it and really apply yourself to these areas. Now, for me, I have come across a training program, and this is a great training program for any one of you individuals that want to create your own affiliate marketing business. This affiliate program is called the 4% Challenge, and what it does is offers a step-by-step training program where you can learn how to structure your business, how to master traffic, and also improve upon your conversions. And so the training program, it's been created by Vic Strizheus, who is one of the industry's top performers and entrepreneurs. And he goes through this and shares his wealth of knowledge and provides it and presents it in step-by-step, easy to follow, bite-sized sessions. And so he goes through how to structure your business. How do you start? What tools do you need? How do you implement those tools the most effective and efficiently way, so that you can, once they're in place, you can then stick to them, follow them, and then learn them so that you can master them, and master them in a way that it works for you. He also explains the different traffic channels and how each one works. And if you are interested, there is an optional separate traffic program available through the 4%, which goes into even more knowledge and in-depth analysis of the different traffic channels so that you can fully master this area. And then also conversions. The way that the challenge training program is set up, it's condensed into shorter time periods. It's with the step-by-step structure, you are able to get conversions and see results much quicker than if you were trying to do this on your own with no guidance whatsoever. And through the challenge, Vic also explains how you can improve your message through your landing pages or your website to improve upon your conversion. So you can master those. So you can maximize your earning potential on each visitor that you have, that you generate through your traffic methods and are shown to the structure of your business. And so this 4% challenge training, it really truly is an exceptional, top quality training program geared for affiliate marketers and how to create your business. Now, I just quickly want to show you that results are possible. They are happening every day. And that's one of the great things about the 4% community, is that people are sharing their successes. You can see that the program works. You can ask questions. You can share knowledge. You can utilize and leverage the community to help your own success. And so let me pull this up here and just show you a couple of these results. And so, here's an email. It's a chicky boom, you got a sale email. This is a sale. This individual, Bernice, sold a challenge, monthly subscription, and also they sold a lifetime membership. So boom, there's about $160 right there. Here's another chicky boom from Mon. I'm probably butchering his name, but or his or her name. But again, chicky boom made a sale. And again, Davin, he's got two here, chicky boom, chicky boom. So you can really see that success happens. Success garners success. People are seeing success through the challenge. Another one, chicky boom. I love the chicky booms. And this was just earlier today, 3 hours ago. Pete, chicky boom, another sale before he even had his coffee. So the challenge works. The education works. You can apply what you learn step by step as you go through it to see success. The 4% also creates an ecosystem that generates multiple streams of income. So here you can see several images of different tool providers where it's additional streams of income that are coming in that this person, Jeffrey, is earning. And again here, this is another stream of income. And I got one more here. Lazuk. Again, $970 from ClickFunnels. This is one of the other streams of income. So you can see that, like I said, success is happening. People are finding ways to grow and build their business and move and achieve their financial dreams that they want. So what I'm going to do is put a link in the description below this video. From that link, if you click on it, you'll be taken to a page. You can learn more about the challenge, what it offers, how you can get started in it today. And I hope you find this video helpful enough that you feel like the challenge is something that can help you. I truly believe it is. I'm going through it. I'm seeing the success as well. And I just can't be more thrilled about this program. But On top of that, I just want to say if you found this video helpful or of value, give it a thumbs up or even a share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll do my best to answer them. I like sharing my knowledge, and if I don't know it, I love figuring it out. But with that, my name is Nate Valine, and I'm signing off. Hope you have a great day, and will you take the challenge?